Suppose I don't have a regular container in order to heat some water for making my cup of tea. Well, I can take a sheet of paper and fold that. The dimensions are not critical. And then open it up and take these sides, fold them back, and hold them in place with some paper clips, or you could staple it together. And here is a container. I'll now set that on a ring clamp and place a wire gauze on the ring clamp above my alcohol burner in order to heat the paper. And then we'll pour some water in our container. And then light the alcohol burner and heat up the water. The alcohol burner goes a little slow, so let's use the propane torch. My water is actually somewhat warm inside already. How is this possible? The water is in direct contact with the paper, and because the paper is kept below its ignition temperature by the water, the paper does not burn. The paper simply will transfer the heat from the alcohol burner or from the torch right through the paper without heating the paper to a high enough temperature that it can ignite or scorch. The scorching temperature is around 300 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the paper itself is the same temperature as the water, below 50 degrees Celsius. And as a result, the paper itself does not scorch. The Indians made use of this principle in making birch bark containers that they used for boiling their water. Again, the water keeps the bark below the ignition temperature so that the bark itself does not burn, but the heat is then transferred from the fire into the water. Another way to make the container is just to take the paper and staple it together